match. You like real facts. Like if you show love, you gon' get it back.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, long time no talk. I am back. It's your girl Princess. I've been missing for a while, but I'm back today with a get ready with me. So it's gonna be me catching you guys up on where I've been, what's been going on, and also I'll be giving you guys a tutorial on how I achieved this look and also details on this hair. So if you want to see all that, how I did this, how I ended up looking like this, just keep watching. So the first thing I do is prime my face, and I do use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. I love this primer like so much. Filling my eyebrows, I use this drugstore eyebrow pencil. It's like $1 from any beauty supply store. I just use that to fill in my eyebrows. My eyebrows are already like full and like dark, so I don't really fill them in too much. And now I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Espresso. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation, and I am in the shade 450, I believe. Just gonna apply that to my face. So now that my foundation is on, I'm gonna conceal my face with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso. I think I already said that. You know, I gotta cover these dark circles because I can't let people know I don't sleep at night and I'm really a zombie. So let me clean that up. I just got carried away with talking. I forgot to tell you guys what I was using. I just used the Laura Mercier translucent powder to set my face, and now I'm using the cream contour palette by Black Radiance. I use the darkest shade right here to contour, and this stuff is so good. I don't put a lot because it's really dark, so I'm gonna use my current favorite eyeshadow palette by ColourPop. I forget what it's called, but this is what it looks like. I love this eyeshadow palette because it's like full of neutrals, like slight shimmery colors. As you can see, I'm almost out of this one because that's my favorite. For highlight today, I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty highlighter. This is the Hustler Baby one. I've recently started liking this. I've had this for a while, but I just started using it. As you can see, it's still brand new. now I'm gonna set my face with this CoverGirl Look Up setting spray. This stuff smells really good. Personally, don't think it works that good because my face still be getting greasy and oily. I'm only using this because I ran out of my Urban Decay setting spray, so I gotta set my face with something. I'm gonna use my Total Temptation mascara by Maybelline. This is my favorite mascara ever. I'm gonna put my wig on, do my hair, and I'll be back. So I actually got this new wig from RPGHair that I want to try out. This is what the box looks like, and I obviously already opened it, but in the box it only came with like extra wig caps, a guide, you know, all that good stuff that comes in a box. But yeah, so this is the wig. I just took it out the bag. Like, I have not seen it till now, and this is actually my first time trying a kinky wig or kinky hair, like, period, you know. Usually I be trying to stay away from it because it's a lot, you know, it's a lot to do. Like, why not just try it for this first, you know? It's the first time for everything, so I'm excited to see how this looks on me. So this is their pre-plugged 360 lace wig. This is Kinky Straight Indian Remy hair. The cap size is small because y'all know my head is small. So what I'm about to do right now is cut this lace off. So because this is a 360 lace, you could obviously part it anywhere you want to on the wig, in the front, in the back, in the middle, on the side. You could part it anywhere. So let me go ahead and adjust these straps so I could put the wig on. My nails is too long for this nonsense. Oh my god. I look insanely cute. This is cute. This is cute. Alright, so what should I do with this? Like, I don't know, you know. If I knew I was gonna be trying on this wig today, I would have did like a whole scissor makeup look, you know, so I could serve scissor vibes or whatever. But it's all good because I'm about to serve glow vibes, okay? As soon as I figure out what to do with this. So what should I do? How should I style it? Should I style it how they have it in the picture? Well, the girl is just like wearing it on the side. I don't know because I don't really like side parts. So, or should I do like an updo, like half up, half down? But then I will have to glue the lace, and I really don't want to do that. Y'all know I do not like gluing anything to my edges, you know. I don't like that. So I don't know, how about I just start with doing my edges first? So I'm gonna do my edges first after I do the edges and make this lace look seamless, you know, because we don't want to see this. After I do that, then I can figure out how to style this. So like always, I'm gonna use my Pro Style black gel to gel my edges. And they also have baby hairs on this unit, which is great because I don't have to cut any. I didn't want to cut any, so yeah, I think I'm gonna do this. So let me find a scrunchie and pin this up, and I'll be back. So this is what we're looking like right now. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it like this, or should I leave it down? I kind of do like it like this though. I really do. This is so cute. Oh, I can put it behind my ear a little bit. This is cute. I think I like it like this. I might just leave it like this, y'all. But with this hair, you could curl this hair. You could straighten it even more. You could wet it. You could put some bantu knots into it. You could put some flexi rods into it. You could put some wand curls into it. I might just end up doing that later on, like in a month, once I want to switch up my styles. But for right now, I'm going to enjoy the natural state of this hair, which is like this. I look so cute. Like, it gave me like a little extra height, you know? I feel a little bigger. and cuter. I just feel so powerful. All this hair makes me feel like I'm that bitch. Like, I just want to speak knowledge, you know? Like, I really like this. It's really cute. So I'm about to change and put my lipstick on and my lip gloss and do the outro. So I will see you guys in 2 seconds. I keep saying I'll be back. I'm so sorry, y'all. My head is just everywhere, but I'm really about to change and put something on. I don't know if I should show you guys my outfit. I don't even know what I'm wearing. You know, I don't know. But I'll be back, okay? If I end up wearing something cute, I will show you guys. If I don't, I'll be back. You know, I'll be back. I don't know. So guys, this is the final look. I didn't end up putting anything special on because I'm not going anywhere. So I just threw on this sweater that I got from Lola Shoutique on Instagram. It's so cute and cozy. And I put some lip gloss on. And this is basically the look. This is it. Seriously though, let's just talk about this hair real quick. Like, I'm loving this look. I'm loving the hair. It's so flowy and it doesn't feel full at all. Like, it looks really full because, you know, it's kinky straight. It's supposed to be full, but it doesn't feel heavy. And I'm just loving it. Y'all seen how quickly I styled it. I literally just put it up in a little pony and it looks really cute. Like, you could literally do anything with this hair. You could curl it, you could flat iron it some more, you could wand it, you could do anything to this hair. And I'm really loving it. Like, for a first timer with the kinky straight, I'll be back, sis, for sure. Like, I look bomb. Like, I feel like a powerful black woman right now. Like, I'm glowing. Like, my crown is sitting, sis. Okay. Ooh, my camera is going dead. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoy me getting ready and, you know, talking to you guys a little bit. You know, I would definitely try to be back with more videos. Not even try, I will be back with more videos, more vlogs, hauls. I will give you guys what you guys have been asking for. So this was just like a little teaser, you know, me getting back into the game, and I'm staying this time. So if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Love y'all. Drop that nigga like a label. I did it with no deal in your man. I take the beer, mama, cause I fucking know you did.